TrackSafe is a network along the wayside that keeps people safe.
TrackSafe is a system to warn train operators that they're approaching personnel on the track and to warn track workers that a train is approaching them.
We independently monitor the movement of trains, and we allow people to report where they're working within the wayside, and then create a warning system for train operators and wayside workers themselves when there is a train approaching their safe limits.
I've walked the tracks myself. I've seen how big of a hazard a moving train is. Being able to have that advanced warning is a big plus.
It's basic human communication that provides that safety net in typical systems, where in our system it's an engineered communication system that ensures that the people who are on the ground and the train operators absolutely get the information they need to know that they're approaching men on the ground.
You look at Apple, you look at Google, you look at the high-tech companies, they design something that allows people to interact with it easily. You pick it off the shelf, it's already charged. We use some of those principles when we designed TrackSafe. When we started designing TrackSafe in 2008, there was nothing on the market. There's certainly safety systems and safety processes that keep you safe, but people still were injured and still got killed along the wayside.
TrackSafe started as a concept that was developed by Bombardier and demonstrated in a parking lot mock-up.
My journey with this product started in 2011, where we did very early day prototype and proof of concept.
We've had a long-standing relationship with Marta, starting with the first phase of TrackSafe, where we deployed the first production version on a section of their green line.
Then we looked at the first version of TrackSafe, and we knew that there was a lot of improvements we can make.
We worked with people at every level of the industry, in safety, in training, in operations, in rail control, supervisors, track workers, across the board. And we really tried to understand how people are doing the work.
Phase 2 has definitely been focused on reducing the effort required to deploy the equipment.
The product's changed quite a bit from the first phase. We're meeting higher standards for fire protection, for water ingress, for dust resistance.
It does not require 110 volt AC supply. It's very much plug and play, and also enables remote update of software on all of the equipment.
So we looked at the software, where we reduced the number of clicks, as an example, to get into the system. We looked at the hardware, where in the first version we had these sort of large boxes which were on the other side of the rail. So we looked at, okay, so we can put a long range reader there, and then you wouldn't have to cross the rail.
The future of TrackSafe is bringing in best practices from other industries, incorporating technology as it evolves outside of the transit world and bringing it into the transit world, moving more into the wireless field, evolving with the Internet of Things.
It's been an interesting road. There's been a lot of hard work, a lot of investment in time in working with transit agencies to fully understand what their needs were.
We met in the middle together and built a system that is simple to use, it is easily deployed, and will keep the workforce safe.